Hello dear children. Children, today we will write words with a sound. Now this is letter E. Slant line and a curved back. This is a straight back. We do not want this straight back. We want a curved back. Now based on this we will write sound words. Now this is beg. I will write it again for you. Now please follow how I am writing. Now the back of B should be straight. Okay. B, make a curve and make a loop here. Round, back and cutting from the second blue line. So beg. Our next word is bed. So first I will take the letters which end on the first blue line. B, curve and round, and D, bed. Our third word with B is bet. B, make a curve, round and T. Okay. Now fed with F. Now see, it is ending here. Then curve and round and D. Just be careful that E should not touch this letter. Okay. There should be a little gap. Next word is wed. Make a little curve, E and D, wed, wet, curve, wet. Okay. Our next word is pen. Now see how we write with T. T, we will not pick up our hand. E and see, I have written in one go. Did I pick up my hand? No, no. So write in one go and then lift your pencil and cut the T. Now yen. Round. N. Okay, we'll write with D. Den. D, E, N. If you go up straight and then make, no, your E will not look like it will, you will make E like this. So did you see after this ma'am went slant and then round? So you will also go slant and then round. Okay. Then hen. It should be straight. E, N. Then with N. Now see, this is round, curve. N, E, T, net. With M, let's write men. M, E, N, all curves. Keg. K, E, G. Children, I am writing quickly, so the flow is coming now. Is my handwriting broken from anywhere? No, no. It is not shaky also, not wavy also. Why? Because ma'am is writing quickly. If I write slow, then my hand will become shaky. So write quickly so that there is a flow in your hand. Next is pen. Now see the formation of P. P, E, N. All curves. pet, P E T, pet. Red, from here slant, R E D, red. Okay, set, okay, with S, please see how to make S beautifully. It is not fat. Set, get, okay. Now children, I have covered a few words. You can check the book and see all the words with sound and write them. Alright? Okay, bye. Happy writing.